Glaciers, mountains, and charming towns packed with history and culture. A cruise to Alaska sounds like an incredible vacation, especially if someone else is paying for it. Channel 2 Investigates discovered a local judge used state funds for an Alaskan cruise, and she says she did nothing wrong. Investigator Robert Arnold reveals the reason for this trip and why state law actually allows it.
Majestic Alaska, from the capital of Juneau to the National Historical Park on Sitka to the Hubbard Glacier. These ports of call are breathtaking. And if you took a cruise this way during the month of August, you would surely enjoy the mild 50 to 60 degree temperatures that are a far cry from our area's muggy 80s and 90s. What is a dream vacation for some was a reality for Galveston County probate judge Kimberly Sullivan, who earns more than $160,000 a year. According to paperwork filed with the county, the judge spent about $2,000 of state funds to take a 7-day cruise aboard the MS Oosterdam. The cruise featured several stops in Alaska and British Columbia. County records show Her Honor booked a veranda stateroom with a view on the navigation deck. The purpose of the trip was for continuing legal education, something judges and attorneys are required to do each year. The 7-day cruise was presented by the Texas Bar and offered 3 half-days of legal coursework. The brochure even points out class times are scheduled around the port visits, so you won't miss a minute of the port activities.
Of course, I was quite shocked. I had no idea she had done such a thing.
Galveston County Judge Mark Henry is the presiding officer of Commissioner's Court.
I can't imagine somebody in her position would think that it was okay to go to Alaska.
We wondered about that too. Turns out the law allows it. Here's how. Probate courts like Judge Sullivan's collects fees from people dealing with wills, guardianship, or other civil matters. That money is then given to the state controller, which in turn gives a portion back to the county to be used only for court-related purposes, including continuing education. The Galveston County Auditor tells us it's up to the judge to decide the best use of that money, and commissioners have no say in the matter.
Certainly, if I thought I had an option, I would not want to reimburse for a cruise in Alaska.
Some Galveston County residents,
I don't get to justify where I go on a cruise, with government funding. Why should you?
had the same reaction.
Those rules should be looked at and they should be modified or, changed. They should be changed. It can't be like that.
Channel 2 legal analyst Brian Weiss adds that while the judge followed the law, when it comes to being on the bench,
sometimes it's a matter of avoiding even the appearance of impropriety.
After hearing all this, we really wanted to talk with the judge. We called, we emailed, even dropped by the court.
I was trying to get in touch with Judge Sullivan.
We got an email. Judge Sullivan wrote she didn't charge for airfare, and if the destination had been in some city in Texas, I would have been entitled to reimbursement for travel to and from, as well as hotel accommodations. We then asked, why did she have to go to Alaska for continuing education when she could have gotten those hours from conferences in Sugar Land, Austin, Lubbock, or San Antonio? There is nothing inappropriate in how I chose to fulfill my CLE obligations. It is now time to move on to more important judicial endeavors. Judge Henry hopes someone in Austin will take another look at these rules.
It's the difference in buying an economical car or a Mercedes. One you need and one you want.
Even before this issue came up, Judge Sullivan was locked in a lawsuit with county commissioners. You can read about that case and see some of the receipts from Judge Sullivan's Alaskan cruise under the Investigate section of click2houston.com. Robert Arnold, KPRC, Channel 2 News.